Soon as I suffer and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they giving mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you out my mind. Why you're mine. Come and get inside, getting closer in the room.
Pero so napipil mo ba?
To make myself alive.
So, in-imagine ko na pumasok ka sa room as soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive. Pinakita mo yung sarili mo. I see all of your eyes. They glued in mine.
It's very me.
They glued in my. Pero okay ako dun sa ano, sa idea no. I mean sa lyrics naman. Tapos ito for mga. Can you read the room? Can you find the room? Pero kung gusto mo yung chorus, pwede ko habaan yung